Email marketing has long been one of the most powerful tools for businesses to engage with customers, drive sales, and build lasting relationships. But let's be honest, managing email campaigns manually can be overwhelming. Writing personalized emails, segmenting your audience, scheduling follow-ups, and analyzing results require time and effort. Imagine a world where all of that happens on autopilot. A world where AI handles the repetitive tasks, ensuring every email reaches the right person at the right time with the perfect message. That's not the future, it's happening right now. AI is revolutionizing email marketing, making it smarter, faster, and more effective than ever. Today, we're going to explore how you can harness the power of AI to automate your email marketing. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small business owner, or a marketing professional, this guide will show you step by step how to leverage AI to save time and increase engagement. Why automate email marketing with AI? Email marketing automation is nothing new. Traditional automation tools allow you to send pre-written sequences based on customer actions. But AI takes it to another level by learning from user behavior, predicting what your audience wants, and crafting personalized messages in real time. Here's why AI-powered email marketing is a game-changer. Time efficiency. AI reduces the need for manual intervention by handling repetitive tasks like writing, sending, and analyzing emails. Hyper-personalization. AI can analyze customer data and create highly targeted emails, making your campaigns more relevant. Higher engagement rates. AI ensures emails are sent at the best times, increasing open and click-through rates. Improved ROI with better targeting and efficiency. AI helps you get the most out of your email marketing efforts. Let's dive into the exact steps you need to take to automate your email marketing with AI. Step 1. You choose an AI-powered email marketing tool. Before you can automate your email marketing, you need the right tools. Many email marketing platforms now come with built-in AI features, while others integrate with AI-powered plugins. Here are some top options. HubSpot uses AI for content generation, email scheduling, and predictive analytics. ActiveCampaign offers AI-driven segmentation, automation workflows, and predictive sending. MailChimp uses AI to optimize subject lines, send times, and customer segmentation. Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, has AI-powered automation for personalized email sequences. Klaviyo, great for e-commerce businesses, providing AI-driven audience insights and email recommendations. Choose a platform that best fits your business needs, budget, and level of experience. Step 2. Build smart email lists with AI segmentation. Traditional email segmentation involves sorting contacts based on demographics, purchase history, or past behavior. AI takes this further by dynamically segmenting customers based on real-time behavior. AI can analyze browsing history, what products or services users have viewed. Email engagement, who opens your emails and who ignores them. Purchase patterns, predicting what a customer is likely to buy next. Customer lifetime value, identifying your most valuable subscribers. AItools automatically adjust your segments, ensuring each subscriber receives the most relevant content without manual intervention. Step 3. Generate AI-powered email content. Writer's block is a thing of the past. AI can help craft compelling subject lines, email copy, and call-to-action messages. Many platforms offer AI writing assistants that generate personalized content based on your brand voice and goals. Some AI-powered tools that can help. ChatGPT, great for drafting email sequences, subject lines, and responses. Jasper AI specializes in persuasive marketing copy. Copy.ai helps create engaging, personalized email content. With AI, you can test multiple variations of an email and instantly see which version performs best. Step 4. Optimize subject lines and email timing with AI. The subject line determines whether your email gets opened or ignored. AI can analyze past performance data and suggest subject lines that increase open rates. Some tools use AI-driven A/B testing, where multiple subject lines are tested in real time. The best performing one is then sent to the rest of your audience. AI can also determine the best time to send emails based on subscriber activity. Some people open emails in the morning, others at night. AI ensures each person receives emails at the optimal time. Final thoughts: the future of AI in email marketing. AI is transforming the way businesses communicate with customers. What was once a manual, time-consuming process is now a seamless, intelligent system that adapts to user behavior in real time. Imagine waking up to find that your AI-powered email system has already sent the perfect follow-up emails, analyzed subscriber engagement, and adjusted the next campaign. Crafted personalized messages that feel human and authentic. This isn't just automation, it's intelligent automation. AI ensures that every email is meaningful, every subscriber feels valued, and every campaign drives results. If you're still managing email marketing the old-fashioned way, now is the time to embrace AI. Start small, test AI-generated subject lines, automate a few workflows, and analyze the results. As you get more comfortable, let AI take over more of the process. The businesses that adopt AI-driven email marketing today will be the ones leading the way tomorrow. AI isn't here to replace human creativity, it's here to amplify it.